friends, good afternoon. We are about ready to start day one of our Friends Boot Camp. We've kind of been in prep week up until today, and then it's the next 4 weeks that we're really going to key in on whatever program you're doing, on your nutrition, and we're going to look to create the results that you came here wanting. So kind of want to go over what I'm doing right now in my day, getting ready to prep for tomorrow and whatever's coming up, right? So the first thing I do, I should have done this yesterday, but I didn't do it. First thing I do in the weekend is I kind of set out what my meals are going to look like for next week, because all of your results, you can work out and you can work out and you can work out, but you can't outwork a bad diet. So you want to make sure that you are using whatever tracker. Maybe you ordered Ultimate Portion Fix, so you're going off your timed nutrition or your Fixate. Maybe you're even doing carb cycling because you have a vacation coming up in 3 weeks. So depending on what you're going for, you might be using this. If you're currently doing a specific program like Lift 4, it's going to have its own meal plan. So depending on what you're doing is what you're going to want to go off of. Luckily, our programs have nutrition built into it. It tells you you need to eat 4 carbs today, or you need to eat 5 greens, or you need to eat 3 oranges. So you're kind of lucky in the fact that all you have to do is come up with what you want. So it already tells you how much of what you need. You just need to figure out what kind of food you want. So right now I am in Plan A for Ultimate Portion Fix, and I know that because I have done my programs to figure out what I need to be at. So pretty much what you're going to want to do when you start out is find your caloric range. Where are you currently? And that's going to help you decide what plan, whether A through G, that you're going to fit into for whatever program you're doing. Now, to find out what range you're in is actually very simple. All you have to do is take your current weight and then times that by 11. So me, when I did this, and you're going to do this once a month. Don't do it any more than once a month, and I always do it at the beginning of the month because it's usually when I'm starting a new boot camp. So I actually really need to do this because this is still, currently I'm 157, so I'm going to take 157 times that by 11, and I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator because I have an accounting major and I can't do math. So 157 times 11 puts me at 1,727. What you're going to do, first you're going to find your maintenance calories. So this is what you need to maintain. So if you are where you want to be, this is all you have to do is you're going to take your 1,727 and you're going to add 400 to it. And that's how many calories you need to have to maintain whatever you are at currently. So pretty simple, nothing too hard. So mine would be 2127. Now, if I want to lose weight using the Ultimate Portion Fix, what I'm going to do is take my 2127 and I'm going to subtract 750 from that, which is going to put me at, hold on. It's going to put me at 1377. Holy cow, that doesn't sound like much, but when you get to eating the foods, it's a lot of food. So if I'm at 1377, I am in Plan A. So Plan A is anything from 1,200 to 1,499, and then there's Plan B, C, D, E, F, and some of the plans even go up to G, because once you start adding muscle, if I wanted to gain muscle, I would have to add double everything that I'm intaking, which is crazy for me to think, but so that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to take your current weight times by 11, and that gets you to your caloric baseline. If you want to maintain where you are currently at, you're going to add 400, and then you're going to if you're trying to lose weight, you're then going to subtract 750 from whatever your maintenance calories were. So super plain, super simple, and then it tells you which plan you're in, A through F. Once you're in that plan, it's really simple. You just have to, it tells you need 4 greens, 2 purples, 4 reds, 2 yellows, 1 blue, 1 orange, and 3 teaspoons. Once you're in the plan, all you have to do is figure out what you want to go in it. So really super easy. This is what I do. Every week I write out. Obviously, I'm going to have my Shakeology every day. I know that is 1 red, 1 teaspoon, because I have my peanut butter fit. And then that tells me what I have. So I write out exactly what I have, and then I start to meal plan, and I do tallies once I take it off. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to figure out I have an idea. Like, obviously, I'm going to have my shake. Like, that is done deal. I have it every morning. I don't even have to think about it. It's the easiest meal of the day. Secondly, I know that I'm going to do sausage and sweet potatoes for my lunches. I just need to figure out what veggies, which I think I'm making Brussels sprouts. So as long as you have an idea of what you want, you can kind of throw it together. Or if you have, which I have it, if you ordered Ultimate Portion Fix, you have Fixate Volume 2. If you did not sign up for Ultimate Portion Fix, you have Fixate. It's in the nutrition tab of BOD. You can go in there and you can look at the recipes. So say I want, well, not a snack and not an alcoholic beverage. So let me find an actual dinner recipe here. So say I feel like making shrimp. I want to make black peppered shrimp. It's got my recipe, and right up here, it tells me what I'm going to have. So it's going to take me 1 red and 1 teaspoon if I want to eat this. Okay, done deal. So super plain, easy, simple. Don't be stressing out over your containers. Just kind of throw a little here, a little there. And then what I do once I get to the end, to my dinner, I usually have a green, a purple, a red, a yellow, and sometimes even my blue and my orange, or at least half of one that I still need to eat at dinner time. So if you have not done this way of prepping or going about your food before, I highly suggest it. That's how I've seen my results, you guys. It's not just from working out. It's following the meal plan and putting that with whatever workout I'm doing, because it's really, there's a lot of like thinking that has gone into these programs that you can take advantage of. That way you're not doing it on your own. So today I'm getting ready. I'm going to I'm going to write all this out and what I'm making first. Then I'm going to go to my kitchen. I'm going to make it. I'm going to prep it. Probably going to take about an hour, and then I'm done. I don't have to make breakfast the rest of the week. I don't have to make lunch the rest of the week. I'm still going to have to make dinners. Some people do prep their dinners. That's just not something that I do. So I encourage you to take a few moments to go figure out what you're going to eat, and then to go cook it and be prepared for the week. I also, what was I going to say? Figure out, if you haven't figured out what program you're doing, if you have any questions, let me know. I've done quite a few of them, and if I haven't, I can always ask. I have a lot of coach friends, and between all of us, we've done about every program. So I'm on a team of 200 plus coaches, and so if I have a question, I can always find it out if I haven't done it personally. So get up tomorrow, work out, pack your food. Yes, you're going to think that you're like in high school. That's fine. That's fine. It doesn't matter. You're out there and you're going to be reaching your goals. So I encourage you to take full advantage of this group. If you have questions about your meal prepping, maybe you've already done it and I am slacking, then awesome. I'm super, super proud of you. Also, in challenges, if you've never been in one of my groups before, the more you post, the more you engage, the better your results are probably going to be. Also, the more you post, the more you engage, the inspiration and the motivation might not just be for you. You might be helping someone else out in the group that really needs, some motivation to get up and to get going for the day or for the week, or, post something that hit you hard that day. Or if you're struggling, lean in. That's what we're here for. I have got some gift cards I might send out. I've got some packets of my mom crack I might be sending out. I have some samples of Shakeology. So if I see you out there just killing the game, or, sharing your successes or helping someone out, I might just reward you with that. So also, it's friends. So if you have a friend that maybe you want to join you now or sometime throughout this program, let me know. They are always welcome to come in, because I will never turn someone away that is looking for support and help, because it's hard. It's hard to do it on your own. And that's why we've all dedicated to this group. So I'm super proud of you. I'm going to go prep my food because my daughter is still sleeping. So taking full advantage of that. And if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to post your question in the group. Maybe someone else is going to know the answer, and really just go out there and kick next week's ass. All right. Bye, guys. Look forward to seeing all of your posts.